Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be updating you on the Chase Reserve and Preferred credit cards. There has been an update to the benefits, and we're going to go over it. But before we get to that, make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so here are the new benefits for the Reserve. So you get 5x points on all Instacart deliveries. No activation is required, and you get a $50 statement credit. So you can apply that for the annual fee for Express, which is $100, or you can do the monthly, which is $10 a month. So if you do annual, you save $20. And it only affects the charges between July 1st and September 30th. If the charge is after this period, then it won't count towards the credit. So that's how it works. And then now you get 5x points on gas stations. Pretty self-explanatory, just there's no activation required, and you just get 5x points at gas stations to September 30th as well. And then 10x points on select streaming services. And then here are the benefits from previous videos. And then here's more details. The ones you should probably pay attention to is here. These are the streaming services that you can earn 10x points on. Disney, Hulu, SBN, Netflix, Sling, Vudu, Fubo TV, Apple Music, Sirius XM, Pandora, Spotify, and YouTube TV. And then if you have the preferred card, it's very similar, except for you get 3x points instead of the 5x points. You get 3x instead of 5 for gas stations. And you get 5x instead of 10x with Reserve. Also the same benefits here. And then the Reserve is the same as the Sapphire Reserve. It's fancier looking. And that is the update. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share the video, and I will see you next time.